What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie back again, and today we're checking out a new low-cost Android phone that commands your attention, the NUU A25. The NUU A25 is one of the newest smartphones by this company that delivers mid-range specs at a fraction of the cost, running Android 13 out of the box with a Helio G99 chip, 6 gigs of RAM, and a 5000 mAh battery. You might wrongfully underestimate the power and performance this device is capable of. The unboxing experience delivers with the inclusion of accessories that you can no longer find with most flagships, like a charging brick, USB Type-C cable, and a clear TPU case. Upon booting it up, you'll find that the NUU A25 has a bright and high-definition 6.7-inch 1080p screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The internal 128 gigs of storage can be expanded to up to 1 TB with a microSD card, and connectivity won't be a problem with support for cellular bands up to 4G, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB-C 2.0, and dual SIM support is also included. This phone is also no slouch in the camera department either, with an 8-megapixel front shooter and a 50-megapixel main rear camera, complemented by a 2-megapixel macro and VGA bokeh. This combination ensures crisp, regular, portrait, and ultra-high definition photos, as well as slow motion and standard videos with electronic optical image stabilization. It also includes a Pro mode so you can manually adjust everything you need to match the environment that you're in accordingly. With its brand new devices, NUU is definitely making itself known as a quality smartphone manufacturer that caters to those that are looking for either of these three things: a low-cost solution, businesses needing to provide devices for multiple employees, or those that simply need a secondary or backup device. Whatever your reason, don't sleep on NUU if you are on the market for a new smartphone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.